It's the comeback coach, Richard Kaufman. Guys, me and my mentor, Joe Nicassio, have something amazing coming up Thursday, October 24th. I might go for 1, 2, 3 hours. We're talking about freedom for first responders, and that's including veterans, first responders, caregivers. We're going to teach you how to get out of the rat race. Joe taught me how to get out of the rat race. We want to give this back to you. And the best thing, it's free. I love free. Joe, my brother, how are you doing?
I'm too blessed to be stressed. I'm so grateful for this opportunity to serve first responders and our vets. It's an underserved part of our population. A lot of people, they serve our country, they serve our communities, and they want to start a business. I'm an entrepreneur maker. When you came to me, Richard, you had a podcast that was doing well in terms of the number of viewers, but it wasn't making money for you. We turned that around and you're making regular money now. I saw you're very big in the veteran community, and I'm an entrepreneur maker. I'm very big in the business development space to help people start and grow businesses. What a great way to give back to the people that have served our country, served our communities, served the people. You serve your time in the military, you get back and take on a job, and you realize that's not exactly the American dream. A lot of us have become employer reliant or government reliant or charity reliant or family reliant. I'm a real stand for self-reliance through entrepreneurship. If you're in business already, or if you want to start a business, this is really fundamentals of business. I'm going to break it down. I'm going to teach, do what you love, share the love, receive the love. I'm going to teach you how to choose the right business. I'm going to teach you how to brand that business. I'm going to teach you how to put together your offer. This is going to be a minimum of 2 to 3 hours. I'm going to go longer because I want to make sure everybody that shows up gets their questions answered. You're going to get content. I'm going to teach stuff. You're going to get coaching if you've got issues that are blocking you. It's community. We're going to do a little bit of networking and a chance to meet other people within the community. This is a great way to serve the community. I'm here to teach and serve and help people. It's a good way for people to learn about me and what I'm up to. I just want to help more people start and grow businesses and be successful. 9 out of 10 people fail in business, but not on my watch. I just want to make sure people succeed. Richard, are you excited?
I'm pumped up. One thing I love about the way you taught me, you're going to give an SOP because that's something we're used to using, standard operating procedures. You're going to give us 9 things that you're going to go through. As veterans and first responders, we know how to use an SOP. How you teach is the perfect ways for veterans to learn.
A lot of people think that entrepreneurship is risky. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. I've just developed a set of SOPs to help people start and grow businesses that if you're in the right business and you're offering value and you've got a marketing process and a sales process, success is inevitable if you do everything right. If you're a veteran, if you're a first responder, or if you're just a good person that wants to start a business successfully, want to invite you to join us. I'm here to add value to you, to hopefully change your life. Even if you just get 1 or 2 gold nuggets on this to help you be more successful in your business, I promise you this is going to be valuable and worth your time to show up.
Since I've started working with Joe, I think we're almost at a year now. I'm making figures a month from what I've learned from him. But also, if you research Joe, which I would suggest you research Joe, he's worked with some amazing people. You might have heard of Les Brown. He's not a fly by night. He gets results, and he's gotten results, and I'm living it. Guys, we're building a brand new studio, and it's all because of what Joe has taught me. Joe, I just want to say thank you for giving me the freedom. I'm actually going on my 6th vacation this year because of what you've taught me, and you've taught me how to market and do the right things to get your business going.
Unfortunately, there's a lot of fake gurus. There's a lot of people selling crap in a box. I'm not one of those guys. Success is inevitable if you do everything right. There are proven principles. I want everybody to have a good experience. I love seeing people succeed in business, and I hate seeing people fail, and I hate seeing people get sold a bill of goods with the wrong information from people just out to make a buck, and they don't really care about the results of the people. They're just money grabbers. I strive to be different. I genuinely care about people, your success and your result. Join us. I promise you're going to get a ton of value. You're going to learn some stuff, and bring your questions. Don't bring your Google questions, okay? I'm a $10,000 coach, and I want you to bring those kind of questions that you would ask a $10,000 coach, because I ain't going to hold back on this event for you. I'm here to provide you the value.
I'm a big wrestling fan, and whenever Ric Flair put up the 4, he would always say, Woo! So you guys better be there for the big four. Financial freedom for first responders.
We're doing this at Thursday, October 20th. We're meeting at 10 a.m. Pacific time, which is 11 a.m. Mountain, noon Central time, and 1 p.m. Eastern time. Thanks, Rich. We're going to have fun.